Welcome to my video for today. We are here at Cessna West Park. It's another park here in town. We have plenty here in Wichita, Kansas to play, so I'm gonna try to preview most of them. I feel like it'd be a fun little thing to do. So today we're just gonna do a little casual round out here at Cessna Park, and I hope you guys enjoy. Hole 1, we are 264 away. There is a drop off behind it, so we have to be mindful of that, but other than that, just straight in front of us. Skipped off a little bit, but it's all right. There you go. Under the basket for my car. Good start. We are 297 feet away from the basket. As a righty, it does call for a flick, but I do not have one of those, so we're going to just try to work with this. There is about a 45-foot drop off behind the basket, but I'm not worried about that off the tee. Oh yeah. That's it. Made a mess of this one. That's a bogey. We're sitting at 280. Very tight gap through here that you got to try to hit. So I'm just gonna take my mid and see how far I can get down there. Hopefully it just goes straight and lands up by the hill and have an approach. We're out there. All right. Little tester. All right. So we're sitting at +1. We are on hole 4. 240 feet away. It's out there right behind the 3 trees right in front of us. Pretty simple shot. Hopefully we can put ourselves close and get a birdie putt. I'd like one of those today. Go, disc, go. And yeah, gave ourselves a putt. We didn't manage to get the birdie there, but now we're on hole 5, and it's 280. It's just a little baby hyzer, so see what we can do here. Hung it out way too wide. Get a good skip, get a good roll. All right. It's a long jump putt. Six, 242 feet. Just a little another baby hyzer. Got a few trees in the way, so let's see how it plays out. Right under the pin. First birdie of the day. Back to even. All right, so back to even. That's great. Hole 7, not great for me. It was a sidearm for a righty. So I feel like I've said that a few times today. But we've got a little bit of trees in the way. I'm just gonna try to get it a little quite a ways there, and then just try to get on par. This is not a birdie hole. That'll be all right. Got our par. Okay, hole 8. We're setting it even, which is great. 285. It's sitting in the short position. Pretty attackable. I mean, again, it creates angles, so you got to hit them. So. Come on. Right into the basket. There's my disc. There's the basket. Par. The last one on the front 9. Thank you guys for watching. 326 feet. There's a row of trees, so they act like guardian trees. If you get through them, usually you have a good putt. So see what we can do. Definitely short, but it got through the trees, so. And that will be even on the front. All right, if you stayed and watched this long in the video, I really appreciate you. If you leave a like, maybe subscribe to the channel, and maybe leave me a comment and tell me how I'm doing. I've just started this YouTube journey of showing me playing some disc golf. Thought I'd show some friends and family and see if it'd take off or whatnot. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the back 9.